Back with the 63, the shop car. We ended up giving it a name, so we're gonna call it Snowball from Rick and Morty. I guess I don't really follow Rick and Morty, but it sounds like a great opportunity because this thing has snowballed tremendously. So we have another video, step 2. There might be 3, 4, 5. Hopefully we get this thing on the road sooner than later, and we don't have 5 videos of us redoing this 63. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should we just JB weld it like it was before? So we're all solid here, making those panels fit, and we'll have a whole lot less rust. Hey, I'm just glad it's not gonna have big gaping holes. Project Snowball. And then I got this grinded here, and lo and behold, bam, another rot fucking hole. Gotta love the rot. That looks good though. I mean, you didn't know no better, there was a giant hole there. I did. I grinded the best I could. You can barely get in there because of. Guess what we'll do? We'll cover it with some spray paint. Look like $1 million. There it goes. Need a bigger hammer.
Bigger hammer, you said.
Bigger hammer. That's how you make it work. Bigger hammer.
what I'm doing. Alright, so that lip's not touching nothing.
Careful with your fingers in there.
Oh, no.
Before you go balls in, do you want to put holes in the bottom of that, on the sides of this, so you can weld it to there?
Yeah.
Just for that way, if you get those holes in there, fitting perfect, you'd be pissed, be like, fuck, now I gotta drill these holes.
Yeah. At that point, I would just reset the welder up, call it a day. Because I've got the kit that does spot welds, and they got drill holes.
Gotcha.
It's like, hold it on there, and burn through both panels. Got 3/4 of a hole.
Yeah, you almost got it.
That's all you get, boss. 3/4 of a hole.
Just when you think you're finally starting to win. We already have the original trunk hinges, they're gone. We got those getting new ones, cleaning everything all up.
Side needs to come up.
I'm working it, buddy. I'm working it.
your secrets, but I'll break it down, break it down. 'Cause I've been there, baby, betrayed by every lover.
Well, so I'm just going to use this as a reverse template.
Copy.
The right length is too tall, but
Right.
I'll make the template.
I know the game, you're all the same. You think you're winning, baby, don't be a fool. You ain't got nothing, only playing it cool. I know you're nervous, honey. You think you're special, don't you? So many came before you, don't be a fool. You ain't got nothing, only.
It's going to be beautiful as long as I can get this fucking hole right there.
The lock stuff's $10. It's nothing. I don't know where that fucking panel is from.
Can we the battery off of it?
Yeah. This bitch about to die anyways. Oh, that's your drill. I don't know why I took that. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's the same fucking battery.
No, not that light.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
You need a little light. Whatever. Stay on there. I say you probably don't have much more grinding, do you? I'm gonna chop back this shit out.
Let me tell you where it starts and ends. Creeping your way in, but you don't know who I am. I'll get you believing I learned from the best. I came here to tell you you can save your breath. You took your talk, honey, I'll make you sing, baby. You keep your secrets, but I'll break it down, break it down. 'Cause I've been there.
All right, Joey. So what do we got here? This bottom lower quarter section you got built, right?
Yeah.
What all you got left?
Well, right now I'm trying to get this damn magnet off of here so I can mark underneath it. So I'm marking the panel that way I can trim it off. That way I can get it tacked in. And then once that's tacked in, over here I have a lip I got it built, but at the same time I have this angled flat edge that has to match this quarter. So that's what I got going on right now.
Gotcha. So we're keeping the progress rolling on the shop car. We got to get her out of here so we can go hit some car shows and cruises with you guys. Man, it's fucking rain. I told my wife over the weekend, man, it felt like we had got it, like, you know, like the after effects of a hurricane?
Yeah.
Where everything is like dead and nobody's doing nothing? That's kind of how I felt the whole weekend was. Like nothing was doing anything.
Betrayed by every lover. I know the game, you're all the same. You think you're winning, baby. Don't be a fool, don't be a fool. You ain't got nothing, only playing it cool, playing it cool. I know you're nervous, honey. You think you're special, don't you? So many came before you. Don't be a fool. You ain't got nothing, only. You ain't never fooled me. You won't never wait.
Get her tacked in yet or no? Yeah. It's gonna be weird, like I'm just used to having a smash go. This wasn't as smashed, it was just rotted. The other side was completely smashed. Yeah, so it's funny, like online, everybody's like, oh, just buy a quarter panel. I'm like, it's like $700 for a quarter panel that we can just match. And I don't want
I
to
like the
change.
one comment. If the bed's that rusted, get a new bed.
There's no bed.
And you posted a picture of the car.
Yeah.
Like, where are you going? Truck name.
Some people, the internet is very interesting. I don't want this car perfect. That's the problem. Like, I want it nice.
You want it safe.
Yeah, I want it safe. I want it nice. I'm good. Like, this is gonna be extra nice. You know what I mean? Even if it didn't even have the right shape, I didn't care. It's good enough. It's gonna look pretty
It's
fucking
got
good.
the right shape, buddy.
Yeah.
I mean, I got it. It's got the right shape.
Like I said, that's
According to the quarter panel.
yeah. According to what we
According
got.
to that piece right there, the piece that come off it right there, my bottom
right.
is the right shape. As long as I can make that side match.
Right.
So I'll just use that bottom piece as the template for my curve again. That way there's the same curve on both fucking sides.
Yeah, I mean, like, nobody's ever gonna know that if it is off a little bit. But this is locked into the bottom other piece too, right?
Yeah, down here.
So that, I mean, it's got to be pretty fucking perfect.
Yeah. I mean, It rolls in. You see the small line I got right there? That little crease. And then it plug welds right in there.
Give it a little fucking Trilon candy paint and you're good to go. So were you able to push this side down?
I don't push it down until after the bottom floor.
Okay, so you don't have that done yet.
I don't have that part. So I'm getting this tacked and all this shape done, and then tack that, and then I'm gonna probably get that bottom welded up, and then we'll go ahead and get
Push
it all
this side down.
down.
Okay. The air management stuff back in powder coat this week. So put that back together once it's all painted, drop that in there.
You already ordered your splatter paint?
Yeah, I can get over out of there.
Oh, we got it here? Okay.
You might see if I get it cheaper. I got the Amazon.
Don't care how high, I wanna run, wanna kiss the sky. I wanna go fast, fast, faster than anyone says they think I can. I'm strong, strong, stronger now. You're just gonna have to figure I'm a different breed at a different speed. There's just one me and I'm complete. Get out my way, get out my face, knock you into yesterday. I wanna go. Spine. I'll have it all, it will be mine. I wanna go fast, fast, faster than anyone says they think I can. I'm strong, strong, stronger now. You're just gonna have to figure I'm a different breed at a different speed. There's just one me and I'm complete. Get out my way, get out my face, knock you into.
Alright, so far we got all our floors done. We got our patch panel in over there, and we actually got our quarter panel built over here. What we got going on is the lips, got those replaced. Now I just have to finish getting the rot in the channel done. My boy Davey's over there rebuilding the trunk lid. He says he's not a fabricator, but we're gonna change his position here soon.
No, you're not.
Oh yeah, we are. In the meantime, I still have the other side of the car to do. We got the quarter to finish up on it. I got a little bit of the patch panel left to do on it. So I'm hoping maybe 3 or 4 more days and we'll have the car done.
All right, guys, so this is gonna have to end this video here. We're not done, as you can tell. We still have the other side to do. Hopefully, one more video, and we can maybe move on to some cool stuff to this car. Make sure you guys get over the page, like, comment, subscribe to the video, and let us know what you think.